So I want to talk a little bit more about how I feel about my trial and talk about everything that had been going on. So one of the things that I felt was the most insane thing I had ever seen was not even just for a second skip the trial. I was put I was put in jail for a year for a crime I did not commit. Then given 5 years of probation, which I've never heard anybody get on a misdemeanor. 5 years of probation, and the whole thing was fake. I was framed, and so the one thing that really shocked me is that these people at M Live, Lynn Moore, they put the Stephen Obsoletus guy in the newspaper, and then he's sitting there making the most insane, crazy videos about me. Then everything in the newspaper is fake. The prosecutor in the newspaper wasn't even in the courtroom. They put a circuit court prosecutor, a felony prosecutor, in the newspaper article. A guy who had nothing to do with the case at all. and then the 60th District Court prosecutor, there's no record. They didn't even put him in the newspaper. It was Benjamin Lee Medema in the courtroom, and then Timothy Matt in the newspaper. And so I'm sitting there looking at it I'm like, okay. And then they say, I put flowers in a younger female neighbor's yard, which never happened. And the woman in the police report was 29 years old. Then there's so many inconsistencies in this news article versus what actually happened at the trial. And then when I'm going back to court, and the whole time I'm still being followed around, I'm still being stalked, I'm still getting emails, threatening phone calls. And then the judge sat there in the courtroom. Matter of fact, the funniest thing is the judge sat there in the courtroom talking about if he could have gave me more time, he would have. Then after that, when I'm out on probation, I'm going back to court. The judge sitting there telling me that he was calling community health on me after all this fake stuff was in the newspaper about me. None of it made any sense compared with the actual case. I'm telling you, there's something sick about Muskegon County. There's something sick about Muskegon County. And, the disrespect I had to go through and to be harassed by people and be framed in a courtroom. I sat in jail for a year, writing lawyers, writing the ACLU, colleges, churches, anybody I could get my hands on. There's people out there running around with 40-page letters that don't even know me that know everything about my case. So, boy, what a joke.